Katsumi here. Welcome to my halal Japanese kitchen. Today's special is Japanese snack Oni-man. Yay! Oni-man is a shortcut of Oni-MANJU. Then Oni-MANJU is the name of steamed sweet potato cake specific for Nagoya area. Oni-MANJU's ingredient is just three: sweet potato, sugar, and flour. Then making method is also very simple. Cut the potato and mix all the ingredients and steam. By the way, can I ask you, what's a good steam cake? Maybe you think fluffy one, right? But this steam cake is not fluffy, chewy. Then when it's hot, texture is like a mochi. I'm sure you will find new steam cake taste and you love it. Okay, shall we start? In my video, I want to share many tips of Japanese cooking. I know that some Japanese food contains alcohol, so you cannot enjoy it. However, after watching this video, you can make halal Japanese food using local ingredients only. If you like this video and you want to open your own shop with my recipes, I'm very happy to support you. See below for more information if you need. Ingredients are sweet potato, sugar, flour, then water a little bit. I check potato weight first. Today's potato is 430 grams around. So sugar's weight should be around 40 grams and flour is 110. Actually, no need to measure so exactly because this is grandma's taste. Grandma never check the exact weight, so almost it's okay. Can you check? The sugar weight is 20% of potato and flour is half of potato weight. Okay? This is almost is okay. First step is chop the potato. Today I used almost half. Can you see? Japanese potato is yellow color. But I know your area has a purple one, right? Purple color one is also can use for this potato cake. We use skin also, so can you wash properly? Then after that, you can cut the dice. Size is 1 cm, 1.5 around. Not so big, like this. After you cut the sweet potatoes, put them in a bowl and rinse to prevent the color change to black. Then, after that, mix the sugar. Mix well. If you want less sugar, it's okay. Because depend on how potato is sweet or not. But now, can you understand this potato is sweet or not? Sugar dissolved almost. After that, keep this one for 15 or 20 minutes to take out the water from the potato. Now, can you see the water come out like this? This is the timing to mix with flour. Water is not enough, I think. So can we put a little bit? I pour more water. Take out the flour from the edge. Potato dough has done already. Or like this. I prepared oven seat like this. Then this one. Oh, too many. Small mountain. Like this, almost same quantity, we make the portion. Now going to steam. Steam is enough. Now going to steam almost for 20 minutes around, but depend on the potato, so have to put the water enough. Then keep inside, then close. You should check the water quantity sometimes because 20 minutes steaming is quite long, so be careful with the water quantity. Okay, now 10 minutes first. 10 minutes steaming. I wanna check the potato is soft or not. Ah, okay. Now, okay. Then water is going to finish after release the fire. Done already. Can you see the shining? Then potatoes become soft. Okay, I take out one and like this. Very hot, but nice. Okay, I tried and report you. いただきます。Yummy as usual. If you like sweet potato, you should try it because you can feel the deliciousness of sweet potato directly. And this ONI-MAN never use oil. That means it's low calories. But never use oil, so the dough is slightly hard. If your family has small kids, you'd better to put a little bit more water into the dough and steam enough. The texture becomes soft. And this ONI-MAN is very limited local snack in Nagoya area. You cannot find in Tokyo, but you can make it in your kitchen. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching today. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon on next videos. Bye!